lot of memories in this house. A lot of memories. I remember when I walked into this house for the first time 12 years ago. I remember when it was for sale, when I saw it was for sale. We were on Crystal's grandmother's couch in Dinwiddie, Virginia, and the price dropped. $50,000. I was like, babe, like, we should go look at this house. She was like, I don't know. And then I came over and looked at it, and I was like, babe, you gotta come look at this. And it was a big project, man. Like, none of these floors, it was mold in the basement. It was like, yeah, it was not what it is now, but we truly made this house a home. When we first moved in, I think this was the first argument that Crystal and I had was about this kitchen, because I wanted to keep it structurally the way it was. We were already spending a lot of money. And, I just wanted to kind of clean up the cabinets, put some new appliances in, and we did that. And then after about 6 years, Crystal was like, are we not moving? Are we gonna stay here? If we're gonna stay here, then we gotta make sure that this kitchen is everything that we need it to be. And I think about 2 years before COVID, we came in and renovated the whole kitchen. Everything got pulled out. I think we were on a trip to either Grand Cayman Islands. We were there for a week, and we had already set up everything. And by the time we came back, most of the kitchen was done. And the flooring was done. And yeah, man, it became a place that throughout COVID, throughout the growth of our girls, many videos have been done here, many conversations that people have said have changed their lives that we shared here, was done in this kitchen. And so we got a beautiful new kitchen, but it doesn't diminish the memories that we have. This one here, it depends. So it really depends on a couple things. It depends on your price point. It depends on your strategy. We want max dollar for this home, right? So we understand that there's some risk in finding things that we don't really know about, but there's also the upside. So for us, when we put the home on the market, we just want to say, like, all right, we've already done a home inspection. You don't have to worry about that. The only thing you need to worry about is if you like the home and what type of price you want to offer on the home. So it's really taking one of those big, like, key pillars that a home buyer doesn't have to think about out of the equation. The advantage is, number one, you can, like, get ahead of the repairs, right? So, just say, like, in here, there's something going on with that light or something going on in the kitchen. We can get ahead of it, right? Number two is, like, faster closing, right? So time is money. So if someone has to get a home inspection, it's going to take them an extra week or two to get that. I can get the settlement quicker. And I think, like, honestly, like, as I kind of walk through the home, honestly, I think I can list the home for more, right? Because I've crossed all the T's and I've dotted all of my I's, and most sellers don't do that, right? I mean, we show a lot of homes in the area, and very few sellers have done a home inspection on a home, right? I would say probably like 1 in 100 have. So to be able to do that, I feel like we can net more money too. I think there are probably 3. Number one is, if anything's major, right, you now have to disclose it. Sometimes ignorance is bliss, as they say, but as a real estate professional, I don't know if I got that cloak, right? But if you know it, you gotta disclose it. So if you know for a fact, say this right here, this gas right here is leaking, right? And the home inspection tells you that, now you got to disclose it. The other thing is, like, if something's going on and I didn't know about it, I potentially got to spend some money on it, right? Money that I didn't think I was going to spend on it. So again, say something over here in the kitchen isn't working correct. Now I got to spend money on it. And then last but not least, I'm here like 10 o'clock on a Monday. It's work. So I'm here working, right? It's extra work that I probably didn't have to do, but I feel like I've done so much work in this house. We renovated the kitchen, we renovated the floors, we've done so many things. It's these small little details that are going to get us across the finish line and get us all across the finish line smoothly. So the home inspection should take like 2 hours or less. It's a vacant home, so they can run through it real quick. The cost, honestly, I think it's priceless, right? It should cost you no more than $500 to get a seller inspection. And I just think that you spending that money is going to net you more money. Yeah, it's going a little bit more challenging route. Oftentimes the challenging route is the most lucrative route and the most fulfilling route and the best route for you to go. So, you know, I was raised by my pop, L.A. Johnson, man. It's only one way to do it, right? Do it right. You know, if you're going to go sell a home, if you're going to do it right. Even if it's going to cost you more money, it's always going to come out in the wash.